Hello guys, welcome back student. Friends, in the tutorial today first of all I am going to change the skin tone of the picture, where you could see that the tone of its skin have been changed guys. Now after doing that guys, on the next step I would apply that, as you could see that SD portraits options for its detail fixing it have been updated, and maybe it have some extra feature after the app update. And guys, it have been done. We could watch it on the screen, and further I would go on the tooth whiteness option guys. We have to whiten our tooth, and now guys, we could apply that makeup option. Here I go on that option guys. We are beautiful lipstick we could choose for our lips guys. As we could see that there are different kinds of lipsticks available.